In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a SurveyMonkey survey. Whether you're looking to share hard copies for in-person feedback or simply need a paper trail for your records, getting a physical copy of your survey can prove invaluable. So grab your favourite beverage and let's dive straight into the process. First things first, you'll need to access your SurveyMonkey account. Head over to the SurveyMonkey website. Once there, click on the login button situated typically at the top right corner of the page. For convenience, you can log in using your Google account. Simply click on Google and choose the account you wish to use for this session. This step can save you some time, especially if you're juggling multiple accounts or seeking a swift entry into your SurveyMonkey dashboard. After logging in, you're greeted by the home page. Look for the Projects section. This is where all your current and past surveys reside. The layout is designed to give you a quick overview of your work, making it easier to navigate to the specific survey you wish to print. Now, to locate your survey, click on the three dots icon associated with the survey in question. This icon is essentially the gateway to several options and actions you can perform on your survey. It's a small but mighty feature, enabling you to dive deeper into editing, sharing, and of course, printing your survey. Upon clicking the three dots, select Edit Survey. This option propels you into the editing mode, giving you the opportunity to review your survey one last time before printing. It's always a good idea to do a quick run through to ensure everything is as it should be. As you're perusing your survey in editing mode, keep an eye out for the print option. This might seem a bit hidden, but it's there to make your life easier. Clicking on print prepares your survey for the printing process, converting it into a format suitable for paper. The final step in the journey is to click on Download PDF. This action converts your survey into a PDF file, which you can then save to your computer. PDFs are widely used because they maintain the layout and formatting of your document, ensuring that what you see on screen is what gets printed on paper. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder, open it, and select the print option from your PDF viewer. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of printing your SurveyMonkey survey. Remember, printing your survey can be a fantastic way to gather in-person feedback, or to have a physical document for meetings, presentations, or archival purposes. Plus, it's always helpful to have a printed copy for those times when digital access might be limited. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made the printing process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Happy surveying and see you in the next video.